You might think that we are living in a very advanced era, sending humans to the moon and Mars, that is, the lunar city. But did you know that, here on Earth, there are places, conditions, and phenomena so extraordinary that humans have still not reached them? Despite intense scrutiny, research institutions have properly explored only about 9 to 10% of the oceans. In other words, 90% of the seas remain uncharted. This occurred on the morning of the 27th of July, 1854, when an American ship sailing southwest towards Indonesia noticed something odd and inexplicable. They observed that the sea surface had turned an opaque, milky white. For many years mariners spoke of these glowing patches, but few believed them until 2006, when satellite imagery confirmed the phenomenon. A research team exploring its depths discovered something with strange markings on it. After seeing it, many believed it was a UFO, as it appeared to be in the shape of a giant egg or disc. To this day it remains a mystery as to what it actually was. Others with more scientific minds speculated that it might be a naturally formed chunk of ice, shaped unusually due to environmental conditions. In the following years, researchers discovered that the glow is caused by a type of bioluminescent bacteria organisms that produce light. The sound was so unusual and loud that many speculated it could be the noise of some kind of sea monster or mysterious creature from the ocean's depths. This led to widespread speculation and theories. In 2005, researchers finally announced that the sound likely came from an underwater ice quake, essentially the sound of massive ice sheets cracking underwater. These ice quakes can produce extremely loud noises. This place is infamous because many aircraft and ships have reportedly disappeared here under strange circumstances. These microorganisms live on the skin of small fish and within the intestines of marine creatures, though rare and typically found in fresh water. In this case, they aggregate in such vast numbers that they can be seen from space and their glow is continuous. If that sound was truly caused by a glacier breaker, then why haven't we heard similar sounds from the many other glacier collapses that have occurred since? Since then, this glowing sea has been observed several times, especially in the Northwest Indian Ocean. Some of these phenomena have even been observed, yet remain beyond our understanding. In today's video, I will tell you about a few such oceanic places that we have seen, yet that remain complete mysteries to us. In rare cases, gas eruptions can cause sudden changes in water density, possibly destabilizing vessels. And yes, more incidents have occurred here compared to other parts of the sea, but that doesn't mean no one can travel through this area. There are a few key reasons. They often say that most accidents here are due to human error, not supernatural forces. When I made a TikTok video on this subject, I explained various theories and rumors linked to this place, but that doesn't mean there is a hidden force at play. The Milky Sea phenomenon, a sea that appeared milky, like a sea of milkies, probably unfamiliar to you. At night, these regions shine brilliantly. They glow so intensely that satellite data can detect them after dark. In Europe, there is a sea known as the Baltic Sea. However, none of these theories could be confirmed, and the image of the object went viral. Scientists have discovered bizarre creatures. There's some so strange that we still don't fully understand what they are. It's considered one of the most terrifying places on Earth, not just because of its depth but because of what lies within. Even then, the mountain's peak would still be over a kilometer below the ocean's surface. If you found this content fascinating, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more intriguing and mysterious topics from around the world. Beneath the Earth's crust, about 400 miles below, there may exist a massive reservoir of water, possibly more than all the oceans above combined. Then in 1997, a bizarre and chilling sound was recorded from deep within the Pacific Ocean. The sound continued for quite some time and remained unexplained for years. Everyone wanted to know, what was that sound? Despite many attempts to record a similar sound again, nothing like it has ever been captured. Even so, people continue to question this explanation. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a name that's widely known, often associated with fear and mystery on YouTube, social media, and in popular culture. But there's something important to understand. While some parts of the ocean truly are mysterious, many stories about the Bermuda Triangle have been exaggerated with drama and speculation, making it hard for people to separate fact from fiction. Yes, in the past, ships have sunk and some have gone missing in this region. In fact, marine traffic moves through the Bermuda Triangle constantly, just like any other ocean route. Now, why are accidents more frequent here? Heavy traffic, just like a busy road, is more likely to see accidents. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most heavily used maritime areas. Unpredictable weather. Compared to other regions, the weather here is more unstable. Storms and hurricanes are more frequent. Natural gas. The sea floor in parts of the triangle contains methane gas. It is important to note that many marine pilots do not believe in the mysterious nature of the Bermuda Triangle. Today, with advanced navigation technology and accurate weather alerts, incidents in this region have greatly reduced. The Mariana Trench. Now let's talk about the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean known to man. To understand how deep it is, imagine Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain, being dropped into it. So far, only 3 humans have ever descended to its deepest point. Even under the brightest sun, if you go deep into the trench, you'll find absolute darkness. Here is something even more fascinating. Recent research has suggested that the oceans we see on Earth are just the surface level. If this hidden water were ever to be released to the surface, our entire planet would appear as nothing more than a giant water ball, with no dry land visible. This is the kind of mystery that the oceans still hold. It may take centuries to uncover all of them.